Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start debugging with JetBrains, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start debugging with JetBrains, begin by opening your JetBrains IDE. Load the project you want to debug. Make sure your code is free from syntax errors. Locate the line in your code where you want to start debugging. Click on the left margin next to the line number to set a breakpoint. A red dot will appear, indicating the breakpoint is set. Next, choose the Run configuration for your project. Select the configuration from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Click on the green bug icon to start debugging. The IDE will launch your application in debug mode. Once the application hits the breakpoint, it will pause execution. You'll then see the Debug Tool window at the bottom of the screen. In the Debug Tool window, you can see the current stack frames. Examine variables in the Variables pane to check their values. Use the Watches feature to monitor specific variables as you debug. To step through your code, use the Step Over button. This lets you execute the current line and move to the next one. If you want to dive deeper into a method, use the Step Into button. This will take you inside the called method for closer examination. To continue execution until the next breakpoint, click Resume Program. Once you finish debugging, you can stop the session by clicking the red square icon. Review any issues or exceptions in the console window. Make the necessary changes in your code based on what you've discovered. Repeat the debugging process as needed until your code behaves as expected. Once satisfied, you can proceed with future development. Debugging with JetBrains becomes easier with practice and familiarity with its tools. Remember to explore additional features like conditional breakpoints and log messages. These tools can enhance your debugging efficiency significantly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.